Hey guys, here is your spelling test over prefixes for our story Half Chicken. Alright, number 1. Unhappy. Unhappy. She is unhappy she did not get ice cream. Unhappy. Okay, you can pause right and then hit play again. Number 2. Retell. Retell. Will you please retell the story? Retell. Number 3. Untangle. Untangle. My fishing line got caught on a rock. When I pulled it, we had to untangle it. Untangle. Number 4. Unkind. Unkind. Please be kind to people. If you're not, you are considered unkind. Unkind. Number 5. Repaint. My paint got messed up on my fence by the dog, so I had to repaint it. Repaint. Number 6. Refill. Refill. Could I please have a refill on my drink? Refill. Number 7. Unlike. There are so many people in the world. Everybody is unlike one another. Unlike. Number 8. Remake. Remake. My dough did not rise when I was making bread, so I had to remake it. Remake. Number 9. Unpack. Unpack. When we got home from vacation, I had to unpack my suitcase. Unpack. Number 10. Reread. If you do not understand the story Half Chicken, you may reread it before you take the test. Reread. Number 11. Unlock. When I got home, my door was locked. My mother must have locked me out. So I had to get a key and unlock it. Unlock. And your final word for this test? Replay. Replay. The video was over, but I had fallen asleep, so I had to replay it. Replay. Hey guys, make sure your name and date are on it, and put it in your packet of stuff to be turned in. Have a great weekend.